Hi, I'm Neil with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the seat covers in the 2018 GMC Sierra 3500. It's midnight croc for the insert as well as the trim, and the insert is diamond stitched. So jet black, the whole thing's blacked out, which is really great for a lot of vehicles. So many vehicles have black dashes, black steering wheels, and the black insert goes really nice with a lot of different colors of vehicles. This truck happens to be white, so the black seats look really cool inside here. And we have pockets for guns, for gear, for the rifles. If the customer wants to load up bows inside here, he can do that now. Also, we have the American flag headrest logos. Really cool combination. Let's check out all these features inside here and show you how cool these seat covers are. So let's check out these fabrics inside here. Just a really cool fabric, guys. Midnight croc, so it's a jet black croc in here. Now this is a leatherette. It's gonna look and feel a lot like a leather does. So it's just cleans up so easy. It's a waterproof fabric, really great, wears great with the dogs, the kids, wipes up really nice. Again, black on black with a diamond stitch for the insert. So that's what's really cool about this is we went all black inside here, diamond stitch in the middle to break up that middle section a little bit so it didn't get too busy, because sometimes when you do that diamond stitch on the croc print, it starts to get a little busy, so I don't always love mixing in another color. But this one actually looked really cool, black on black. And we did the rear seats back here as well, so you'll see in a minute that just everything blacked out looks really, really cool. Now, again, diamond stitch, that insert has that diamond stitch. When it's diamond stitch, that doubles the foam backing in there. So doubled up on the foam, so it's gonna be a little bit more comfortable to sit on as well. And there's foam backing on the sides as well, just not as thick as that middle section where that diamond stitching is showing. It's just a really cool looking set. It's gonna wear really nice and just really transform the interior of this vehicle. Now let's check out this driver bottom cover. Nice and tight fit. Again, this is what gets the most wear and tear as you get in and out of your truck. So it's good to have durable fabrics that are gonna hold up really well, and these ones are great. So I wanna show you too, this is a multi-panel seat cover. So you have 1, 2, 3 panels that make up that bolster right here. And that's how you get really an awesome fit right here. The olden days, the seats were a lot simpler and you could just do a simple one panel, but now really it looks so much better when you have multi-panels on the seat covers to really conform around the shoulders of your seats when you get these bigger contours on the seats. And totally just transformed the interior in here. This was kind of an older vinyl and leather inside here, and it just kind of cracked out. And now this really transformed it. It just looks really, really cool. Now let's check out the headrest. This is the driver headrest. The front headrests are a little bit bigger than the rear headrest. So you have different size seat covers and different headrest covers that fit on there. I'm gonna pop this up a little bit and you can see what a nice finish that is around underneath the headrest where those headrest posts are. There's this little plastic trim and that tucks underneath. Full install video showing you how to get all this installed on top of your original seats, protected and looking really good, just like this. So you can see the headrest, full surround coverage. You got coverage on the front, the sides, the back, even underneath. Well, that's where it connects underneath there as well. And so just great coverage on here. And my favorite custom option out of this build is the American flag logo. We're celebrating America 250 this year. Just a couple days ago, today's July 6th, July 4th, we celebrated America 250. We love America. We love the founding fathers and the principles that founded America. You gotta promote Old Glory on your headrest, guys. It's a really cool logo. We have some other logos, some wildlife logos. Come and take it. Supporting Second Amendment rights there as well. So some really cool logos to check out on the site. Or maybe you want to do your own logo with a Velcro patch. That's an option as well. So this is an option. It's an optional add-on that you can do on top of your seat covers. You don't have to, but it is a really cool way to personalize your seat covers a little bit more with a custom logo there, and that's on a leatherette stitched onto your headrest. It's a really, really nice logo there. Now let's check out this console. So nice to have a center console that matches your seats. Pretty rare across custom seat cover companies even that offer console lid covers. Look how nice and tight this one fits on here. Fully functional, so you can still lift that console up and down and just So cool to have it in the matching black Croc here. On these seats, this was cracked out right here where the customer's right arm was resting on all those drives. He had cracked out the vinyl, the original vinyl. So now we have that covered, looking a lot better. But when you get that new truck, get a console lid cover on top of there right away so you don't start cracking out this section right here, because I see that all the time, the leather or vinyl right here cracking out. And so have that cover on there to protect that. Now, a really cool and one of my favorite custom options that we offer exclusive to Covers and Camo is a MOLLE gun pocket. We can put this on both the driver and passenger sides. We can also put it on the front side of the rear seats. So a really cool pocket that opens up for storage on the inside right here. So you can drop a pistol. So I'm gonna grab a demo full-size pistol right here, drop that in on the inside right here for complete concealment, okay, because you can see that's concealed right there, okay, so there's that. And then I'm gonna open this pocket up right here, pull that back out. You can see there's that pistol, and that's how that fits inside there. Now there's MOLLE webbing on the outside of this pocket where you can hook additional gear to the outside of it. So some of our customers like having a pistol holster connected to the outside of it. So that's a MOLLE adaptable pistol holster. You can connect that on to the outside of the MOLLE pocket, and then it hangs down right between your legs right there for an even faster release right there. Okay, so that's an option. The other option is you may want to put on like a cell phone holder or another just little gear holder, and that all works with this MOLLE webbing. It's this cool little system the military came out with. It's modular, so you can adapt to different needs and connect on different carriers there. Or if you just want to do something simple, throw on a carabiner or tire pressure gauge or your knife on the outside, that also works with that MOLLE webbing. So a really cool pocket, MOLLE gun pocket. On this set, we have it on the driver and passenger sides on the front seats. Again, it would be available on the front side of the rear seats as well. So you just let us know as you're building up your set of seat covers where you'd like these, if you'd like to have them added on. Now on the driver's side, we also have a driver's side pistol holster. Now I will mention this, if you have a truck that has a hard console and it's really tight right here, that side holster gets a little tight, a little too tight for a full-size pistol. So I will say that's not always the best time. Best choice is when there's a hard console like this. If you have a cushion, a seat cushion, that is money. That works so good to be able to put your pistol in between that seat cushion and right there. Now, I will say some trucks, some vehicles, you do have a flow-through hard console like this, and there's a bigger gap. So you just may want to check that gap before you add on a driver's side pistol holster. But it also can work as a cell phone holder. You slide that cell phone in right there. You can tuck that in, and just, is a good spot to slide your phone in right there. The next custom option we're checking out is the Special Ops package with the tactical pockets. Really cool pockets to be able to load up your rifles. You can see how a rifle would load right inside here. You'd load your AR in there, load a shotgun inside here as well. These nice big horizontal pockets to load those up. There's 4 big horizontal pockets designed where you could carry 2 rifles horizontally like that. There's also some big pockets that store your bows inside here. Now, sometimes at the shows, we'll also show this where we pop a pocket out like this, and you could load in rifles vertically as well, like this right here. So you could put in, let's say you want to throw in the ARs right here and just have it strapped up vertically like that. There's another vertical option for you like that. So really a lot of cool ways to load up guns and gear inside the Special Ops package. Now there's additional pockets and MOLLE webbing. You can see I have a first aid kit back here. We sell some first aid kits. If you want one, check out our website. There's cool stuff inside here. Israeli bandage, tourniquets, some great gear. Always good to have a first aid kit inside your vehicle. And this is a great way to store it, is on the back side of your Special Ops package. You could also connect on water bottle carriers or other things like that. And there's some smaller pockets, some smaller gear pockets. Let's say you just have the gloves, your binoculars. That's where these smaller pockets come into play. Or maybe you got a road trip or a hunting trip coming up and you just have all these smaller items you want to keep organized with. Well, that's where those smaller pockets come into play. So the small pockets, the MOLLE webbing, these larger pockets for the rifle slings, and also some large pockets for your bow carriers as well. So really a cool setup on the backside. In this particular build, The insert and trim were in the Midnight Croc black. So the back side, we always do this if you're doing a special ops package. This is made out of a black canvas. Now, unless if you're doing like a camo insert, and that camo insert canvas could be your special ops package. But in this case, where it was, you know, the alligator style seat covers, all black, we did a black canvas to go with that black gator. So really cool setup, matches up really nice, kept with the black theme inside here, but then you get that little extra durability for hanging the weight of the rifles and the gear on the back side right here. So keep in mind on the back side, if you choose a special ops package and you're doing the alligator style seat covers, then and that's your trim choice, then we're gonna be doing canvas around the backside, typically black, unless if you have a camo insert that you're mixing with it. And that is changeable. Let us know, we can modify that, but you'll see that a lot on our website. We're doing a black canvas as the backside when we're doing an alligator style seat cover, or really any kind of leatherette trim side, then we need to do that canvas to hold the weight of those rifles and the gear back here. Now let's check out these rear seats. These rear seats are the crew cab split seat. So it's a 60-40 split seat with a center armrest and 2 headrests. Guys, the only way to get a fitment like this is to get a true custom fit seat cover for your seats. And that's what we offer. Premium quality custom seat covers. Here's this rear armrest. You can see that how that has its own cover around the armrest. That still pushes in. There's a pull tab here. You can pull that armrest back out. You have inner liners right here. So nice to be able to have that just all covered as it's on that inner liner right there. You still have access for your cup holders and your armrest as your guys or your kids are sitting back here. That way that still folds and functions just how it should. This whole seat, again, 60-40, so that means that it's a split seat. The 40 right here folds independently from the 60. That lifts up. Full coverage on the bottom right here, so we call this underside coverage. So nice to have that covered. This was carpet before. Guys, the dogs, the kids, especially the dogs and the muddy gear that you throw back here, there's carpet underneath your seats originally. So messy to clean up. Our customers love having custom seat covers that have underside coverage, so it's gonna be a lot easier to wipe that up underneath. Now I'm gonna fold up this 60 section right here so you can see, yes, underside coverage over here as well. So if you have these seats in this position, a lot of guys do just for your gear or your dog running inside here, no problem, gonna be easy to wipe down. So cool to have that black Midnight Croc covered right there. So again, folds and functions just how it should. There's 2 smaller headrests back here. GMC, Chevy, they do these small headrests a lot of the times in the rear seats, and a normal kind of universal fit seat cover, no way is gonna fit around those headrests. So that's why you have to have really a premium custom fit seat cover to fit right. So cool to have it matched up with the front seats with the American flag logo inside here, and just, oh man, pops. So cool to have that. And all decked out in the Midnight Croc, really cool setup. Love how this all turned out. When you do the front and rear seats, it totally transforms the interior of your vehicle. You don't even see what the original upholstery was. And really, this almost looks like new upholstery, but it is a seat cover that slides over on top of your seats to protect that upholstery, but look really good while doing it. Safety is a top priority. And as always, in all the custom seat covers we offer, your seat belts, your child's seat anchors, and also side airbags will all be accommodated for, so it's still, you still can get full coverage on your seats without compromising the safety of your vehicle. Thanks for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and those UTVs, with really that focus on those trucks and UTVs. So if you have a vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, you need to jump over to coversandcamo.com. We have an awesome team ready to help you. We're trained up on your vehicles as well as on the awesome products that we offer. We look forward to serving you soon. Again, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers.